Select the rectangular marquee tool and make the selection. Go to Select. Transform selection. Place the selection in the center. If needed, you can adjust the size of the selection and then center it again. To make the corners round, go to Select. Modify. Smooth. I use a radius of 50 pixels, but you can also use a different amount. Go to Select. Inverse. Create a solid color layer. And pick a border color. Select the mask of the color fill layer. And increase the feather. And that's how you create this border.